Welcome back everyone to my channel. So today I am going to be teaching you how to create international TikTok account. So if you're used to my channel or you're watching me for the first time, I actually talk content creating tips, how to go about your Facebook monetization, YouTube tips, how to create YouTube channel and all of that. I have videos like this on this particular channel, so you can actually click this channel to watch my other videos maybe after you're done watching this one, because I would love you to watch this one to the end. And when you're done watching this, you can actually go and check my other very insightful videos. So like I said, in today's video we'll be talking about, or I'll be showing you how to create international TikTok account. Why you need to create international TikTok account is because if you open your TikTok account in Africa, Nigeria to be precise, you can only make money from live videos. You cannot make money from your maybe 1 minute, 3 minutes videos you have on your TikTok account. So instead of just wasting all the time creating content, making videos and not getting monetized, it's best you just create an international TikTok account. Even when you create this TikTok account, which you'll be doing very soon, I want to advise you to post the old videos you have on your main account right now. In this one, you have to start all over. It's very simple. Just recreate all these videos all over again. You can recreate the videos, and just add some more spice into these videos. I'm going to put you through the requirements you need to know to actually build this, and also the requirements to start earning on your international TikTok account. So number one, of course, you need your smartphone. You need a smartphone to be able to do this. Then your app, your TikTok app, and your browser. Of course, you need an email address too, because you'll be using email address to create this TikTok account. And I will advise, any app you want to create from now on, please do not use your phone number, because your phone number always restricts you to a particular location, except you change location. For example, if you Japan now, your IP address might change. But when you're creating any account, either Facebook, or of course Facebook will soon be monetized in Nigeria, any other app that probably usually gives Africa a longer time before they monetize, please, when you're creating these accounts, always use email address. Do not use your phone number, use your email address. Email address is actually very better. With email address and VPN, they can't detect where you're coming from. But if you're using VPN and you tend to now use your phone number, it's gonna so you put your VPN in the US or in the UK or in Canada, and your phone number is showing Nigeria, it has scattered the whole thing. So always use your email address to verify whatever thing you want to verify. So another thing you're going to be needing is your VPN. Very, very important. I already use a VPN on all my phones because I do content creating, Facebook and all of that, because I have a monetized Facebook account. Someone has helped me to monetize the Facebook account even though I'm in Nigeria. So because of that, I just use VPN, and my VPN is permanently in the country where the person is. So since you're new to TikTok, or you're new to you want to create a new international TikTok account, you will need a VPN. There are different free VPNs you can use so that you can use it to create this TikTok account. For example, I use Surfshark, but there's a VPN they call Thunder VPN, which is free. So if you want the free version, you can actually use the free version. So my own VPN is a paid one, and I did subscription for 3 years. It's called Surfshark. That's the name of the VPN. I've been on this VPN since last year, and I paid for 3 years. So I won't just say, okay, be like me and pay for 3 years like myself. You can go for free VPN. So once you've done that, you can now go to your browser. So on your browser, you type tiktok.com. So once you enter, please go to use email address. Do not use a phone number. Go to email. So you enter your email address. Once you enter your email address, you create your password. So you follow the instruction. It will be alphabet, numbers, and letters, or characters. So you try to fit in the image into the puzzle. Once you do that, verification number will now be sent to the email address you provided. So once the verification number is sent, you can now create username. Now the former TikTok I had was Jumi Maduka. This one I had to make it Jumi_Maduka to create my new international TikTok account. So this is what my international TikTok account looks like. Now I'm going to take you to the the monetization tools on this account. Now this is my main TikTok. This is the formal TikTok I was using. You're going to see the monetization tools I had and the monetization tools I had on this one. So now yes, I'm switching in between the two accounts. So let's go to monetization tools. You can see the number of monetization tools that are on this particular one. So I have video gifts, I have different things you can see there. Yes, you can look at that. See, this is like 7 or 8 items that can be monetized on international TikTok. I'm going to take you back to my main TikTok, the one I had that I opened using my normal Nigeria everything. So let's switch accounts now and go back to the main TikTok I had before now. So on this main TikTok, let's go to monetization. Let's see what the monetization looks like here. So you can see just 3 items can be monetized. Just 3 items, guys. So you can see that it is not the same. This TikTok is not the same. So you see why you need to open an international TikTok account. So that is it about why you need to create an international TikTok account. Other things you need to know is you will need to be able to monetize this new international TikTok account. You will need up to 10,000 followers and 100,000 views in 30 days. TikTok is quite easy compared to YouTube and even Facebook. So you need to start posting videos. You need to start posting 1 to 3 minutes videos. Of course, maybe in the morning, afternoon, in the evening. Be creative with your video so that you can monetize your content on time. So when you finally get the requirements, what kind of account are you going to put? Since you are in Africa, of course you can use PayPal or you can use Payoneer account. So I'm going to be doing another video on how to create a Payoneer account. I already created a Payoneer account long ago, though I've not used it. Probably I can actually make a video to create another Payoneer account. That's why you need to subscribe to this channel so that you can see how I get to create a Payoneer account. I won't advise that you disable your old TikTok account. Why you shouldn't disable it is because just like Facebook right now, Facebook is trying to monetize Nigeria, right? So it can get to a point where TikTok decides that they also want to monetize Nigeria. That is why you shouldn't deactivate the account, but know how you separate your international TikTok from your Nigeria TikTok. And I would advise that you start posting more on your international TikTok than your Nigerian TikTok, except you go live every time and you make money going live. That's the only way you can make money from Nigeria TikTok. But if you have an international TikTok, you can still make money going live, and you can be posting your normal content the way you post videos normally. You can also be posting it there and you make your money. You can see the tools you have. Your monetization tools are much. I think I counted up to 7 or 8. If you're based in Africa, you're based in Nigeria, you only have 3 tools. If it's an international TikTok account, you have up to 8 tools where you can make money. So just try it out. This video I just showed you now, try it out. Use VPN and leave your VPN on for a while. Like I said, myself, I have VPN constantly on my phones, on my devices. My VPN is on my phones, my MacBook, everything is permanently on because of my Facebook monetization. But if you want to go about this, ensure you have VPN on. Put it in any of these US, Canada, UK, Germany. Put it in any of these countries and open it with your email. If you're opening anything relating to all these things, always use just your email address. Do not put phone number, because phone number will always track you down to your particular location. So like I said, please do not post content from your other TikTok account in this account. Post new content. You can just recreate all this content, and also ensure that you are 18 years. I didn't add that when I was talking about the requirements. The requirements again is 10,000 followers, 100,000 views in 30 days, and you must be 18 years of age to be able to monetize your TikTok. So if you have more questions to ask me, you can drop it in the comment section, and please do well to like this video. you can drop your questions in the comment section, but go ahead to do everything I just showed you right here. But if you have any questions you want to ask me, you can actually ask. And please, I'll drop the link to my new TikTok account. I'll drop it in the comment section, so you can also just follow. You have to start following me, because I want to build that account in no time. Yes, I want to build it, and I can also monetize it, and I can also show you how I went about the monetization, everything you need to know about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new, you got value from this video, subscribe to my channel right now, because I have more videos I'm going to be putting up here. Like I said, I'm going to teach you how to create a Payoneer account because this is for international payments. So I'm going to teach you how to go about that. If you want to know about Facebook monetization and all of that, I've done videos about that on this channel, so just click this channel and watch this video. If you also have other questions you want to ask, please, like I said, drop it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video.